Hi, today we're going to be making Matcha Yuzu Shortbread cookies. You can choose to use vegetable or olive oil. Olive oil has quite a distinct taste, so if you don't like that, you can just use vegetable oil. First, we're going to sift in the icing powder, flour and matcha powder together, and then we're going to mix it all together until it's evenly combined. We're then going to pour in the oil and the vanilla essence and then just fold it in until it forms a soft dough. It might look a little dry when you're first mixing it, but just continue mixing it until it all comes together. We're then going to take a spoonful of dough, place it in the palm of your hand and then roll it into a ball. It should be about an inch big. Once you've got it into the form of a ball, just place it onto a piece of baking paper and then press it down flat onto the baking tray. We're then going to repeat this with the remaining dough. You should be able to get about 16 cookies out of this. Once you've rolled out all your cookies, use your thumb or your fingers to press down in the middle of the cookie so that you form a little well. If you find that the edges of the cookie is cracking as you're pushing it down in the middle, just pick it back up and then using your fingers, just sort of push it together around the sides so that the cracks close back up. Repeat this motion with the rest of the cookies and then refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Make sure to preheat your oven when your cookies are in the fridge, and then once they're ready to be baked, take them out and bake it at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. While the cookies are baking, we're going to make the yuzu jam. So you can actually skip this step if you find that the yuzu jam isn't too sweet. I think that it's a little sweet, which is why I'm adding a little bit of salt into the jam. When the 10 minutes is up, take out the cookies and then place in about a teaspoon of yuzu jam into the well of the cookie. I always make sure that each cookie has a little bit of yuzu peel as well to give it a bit of textural contrast. We're then going to place it back into the oven for another 6 minutes. And that's it, we're done! Super easy matcha yuzu shortbread cookies. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.